Hi sewing friends, I'm Alice Murray. Welcome to my channel Murr-Made Designs, where every day I show you a new garment. I don't make them every day. I try to keep ahead a little bit because it's too nerve-wracking to be racing the clock. But I try to show you a garment that I have made and review the pattern and review the material and review my challenges, because I always have challenges because, well, I'm a beginner sewer. I've been sewing for about 2 years and I'm definitely still learning. And so I hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe and watch them every day. I try to make them short so that they fit into your life. So today, what I want to show you, did I tell you we're at day 110? That means we're 10 days into a brand new year. That's pretty cool. Today I want to show you NewLook 6393. This is, you can see it says Fanny Fabrics on it, which I don't even know if it exists anymore. And it is a 1995 pattern. And this is one of the patterns I got from my husband's cousin, who gifted me a whole bunch of patterns. And so it comes with, we call these jumpers in Canada. I think in Britain they call sweaters jumpers. So it's a little dress you wear over top of a shirt. And you can make it in 2 different lengths or a top, and it also comes with a skirt, which I also made, which I will also show you. And here are the line drawings. Oh, and you can also make the jacket. I did not even notice that. I'll show you my version and then we'll talk about it. The little cute jumper. I added the pockets because I love pockets. I thought it needed pockets. I am wearing this with a turtleneck that I refashioned from a summer dress. And I will link the video at the end of this one if you've missed that. What I love about this dress is this very cute little tie in the front. And I made this out of some banana yellow corduroy. I made some pants with this as well. This corduroy is from Fabricland. It's a very nice, fine fabric, but it was a little too stiff to tie, so I put a little tie around it to make it look tied. This is a great pattern. If you can find this pattern on Etsy or eBay or something, I would suggest you get it. It is a great pattern. I had only one problem with this, and that was a complete, I don't know what, on my part, but when I sewed the sleeves together, instead of sewing them together here, I sewed the front to the front and the back to the back, and I serged it and had it all finished up nicely, and then realized I had sewed it wrong, and it was like too much. I really reinforced it. It was too much to even pick out, so I just cut them off and sewed them again, which made the armholes kind of small. So I don't know. They're not uncomfortable, but yeah, I wish I hadn't done that. It has a a facing that goes around the armholes and all around the front. And if I had finished the arms the way the pattern suggested, which is actually the correct way when you have a lining, where you sew the outside together and then you just kind of hand stitch the lining, I wouldn't have had any trouble. But yeah, I was in a hurry. Go figure. And it has side darts, but it isn't, it's not a fitted sort of dress at all. To work on my twirling. Yeah, so I like that. NewLook says easy, 6393. I would say is a winner. I even made it in the yellow that they had. And today in my grateful thread, because I always like to end with a bit of gratitude, I am grateful. My dear husband, oh, he's such a great fella, cut my hair for me. And we were counting up our blessings from 2020 on New Year's Eve, and realized we'd been to a actual hair cutter one time in 2020, and other than that we've been hacking at our hair ourselves. So yeah, it is what it is, and it's working sort of. So it's funny, isn't it? Something a lot of us wouldn't have ever considered beforehand, cutting our own hair. But anyway, it works. I'm grateful for a haircut, however I get it. So I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun.